Tune House by FB+MP Arquitetos Associados in BARBALHA, Brazil. Ararype derives from the ancient Tupi word ararype, which means, in the river of the macaws. Located in the Cariri region of Ceará, Casa Tune specifically emerges in the Araripe Plateau, a rich area that houses an important paleontological site and an extensive protected national forest, in addition to its numerous water springs. The design of the house was practically born based on two main points: the needs and desires of clients for an architectural style that is both modern and contemporary, and the environmental guidelines for low impact in the area. The terrain, in turn, with a significant slope, led us to a predominantly pilotis-based layout, both to reduce the impact of contact with the natural ground and to avoid problems such as infiltrations. One of the main premises linked to the implementation, in addition to those mentioned above, was to maintain the view of the city on the horizon, which takes two forms: through a large belvedere on the roof of the house, this one at the sidewalk level. Those arriving have an unobstructed view, their gaze has a stage for contemplation of the plateau. The other way is by framing the view from inside the house. The Tune house floor area is distributed in a basic and lean single-family program. The swimming pool is the highlight. It is the same length as the house and is also on pilotis, with infinite edges. Although the house obeys orthogonal rationality, a helical staircase was created in the center of the social area which, in addition to its basic function, acts as a concrete sculpture that moves between formal rigidity and behavioral fluidity, the latter the result of the relationship between the vegetation that leans over it under the zenithal light. As for materiality, it was present in an industrial style, with concrete blocks for the fences and metal profiles with concrete slabs for the structure. The use was adopted in an entirely rational way, giving way to glass panels as a means of natural integration.